Hi everyone, it's Jaden. Welcome back to my channel where I share information on health, fitness, and overall self-improvement and optimization. I apologize for the video quality tonight. I'm just actually using my laptop. It's pretty late in LA here, and I'm just in my room. So I'm like too tired to like set up everything. It's just gonna be a quick update video. I know I haven't seen you guys in a few days. It was Thanksgiving, and I've been working on redoing and redesigning my website, so it is now actually done and up. So if you want to check that out, it's jadenchristopher.com. I have written out my entire health recovery journey story, and that way everything's one place. You can find my other social media platforms on there. You can find ways to direct contact me. I also do written posts on health, fitness, and just overall well-being optimization there as well. And you can also find like the duplicates of my YouTube posts on there. I figure it would be easier because I get a lot of questions on the timeline of my health recovery and also little details here and there. So it is written out in pretty detailed story. It is there for you, and you can also check everything else out there as well. And that's it. Again, it's jadenchristopher.com. I hope you guys all had a safe and nice Thanksgiving, and I hope to see you in my next video, which should be up by the end of the weekend. Alright, take care guys. Bye.
Guys, I really hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and share my videos with others. That would really help me expand my audience. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I now have PayPal Donate, so if you're interested in that and you want to support my channel, you can click on the link in my comment section as well as the upper right hand corner of my channel homepage. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. As always, remember, it's never too late to optimize yourself, and you can always start right now. Until next time, I'm Jaden Christopher, and I'm wishing you a thriving day. Bye.